I'm NG here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. My viewers, my listeners, and my students. Today we are going to view the causative verbs again. Causative verbs are of a great importance. They play a great role in communication as well as in academic studies of higher and upper level. These particular causative verbs are very important and they are commonly used in different phrases and sentences. Let's see and make a practice with these causative verbs and the formation of particular sentences we have today. Let's start our lesson up here. The first, you see that, my students, the first one is she got the cat sold. She got the car sold. She got the cat sold. She got the car sold. उसने कार को फरोख्त करवा दिया. उसने कार को फरोख्त करा दिया. She got the car sold. उसने कार को फरोख्त करवा दिया. You see that she is a subject and get is a positive verb and got is the second form of get, that is a past tense. She got the car sold. She got the car sold. उसने कार को फरोख्त करवा दिया. She got the car sold. उसने कार को फरोख्त करवा दिया. So in this phrase you see that got is the past form of get and get is a causative verb. She got the car sold. उसने कार को फरोख्त करा दिया. उसने कार को फरोख्त करा दिया. She got the car sold by some broker. She got the car sold by some broker. We can add by and broker. So she got the car sold by some broker. उसने किसी broker से कार को फरोख्त करा दिया. So she made the broker to sell her cat. She made the broker to sell her cat. She made the broker to sell her car. उसने कार को ब्रोकर से फरोख्त करा दिया. She made the broker to sell her cat. She made the broker sell her car. उसने कार को अपने ब्रोकर से अपने कार को ब्रोकर से फरोख्त करा दिया. She made the broker sell her cat. She made the broker sell her car. This is another formation of causative verb make, and made is the past form of make. So we have phrase here, we have sentence here. She got the car sold. She got the car sold. She got the cat sold. She got the cat sold by broker. She got the cat sold by broker. उसने कार को ब्रोकर से फरोख्त करवा दिया. Let's see the next phrase. Next sentence is Ben made her wealth. Ben made her wealth. Ben made her wealth. Ben ने उससे काम कराया. Ben made her wealth. Ben ने उससे काम कराया. इस जुमले में आप देखिए, Ben is a subject and made is a past form of make. Make is a causative verb. Make is used as a causative verb in many ways. So made is a past form and she made her work. She made her work. उसने उससे काम कराया. She made her work. उसने उससे काम कराया. She made her work. उसने उससे काम कराया. Made is the past form of make and make is a causative verb. It's used in many sentences. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next phrase is, you see here next phrase, Tina let Maria wear new hat. Tina let Maria wear new hat. You see my students, Tina let Maria wear new hat. टीना ने मारिया से नया हैट पहनवाया. टीना let Maria wear new hat. Tina is a subject and let is a causative verb here. Let has three forms. Let. Tina let Maria wear new hat. टीना let Maria wear new hat. टीना ने मारिया से नया हैट पहनवाया. टीना ने मारिया से नया हैट पहनवाया. टीना let Maria wear new hat. टीना let Maria wear new hat. टीना ने मारिया से नया हैट पहनवाया. So Tina doesn't itself put on the hat. If she got Maria wear the hat. Tina got Maria wear the hat. टीना ने मारिया से हैट पहनवाया. टीना ने मारिया से हैट पहनवाया. टीना ने मारिया से हैट पहनवाया. टीना got Maria. Tina got Maria wear the hat. Tina got Maria wear the hat. टीना ने मारिया से हैट पहनवाया. This is another formation of causative verb made, and make is the first form. So get. Tina got Maria. Tina got Maria wear the hat. टीना got Maria wear the hat. टीना ने मारिया से hat पहनवाया. So this is a beautiful phrasal verb using positive verb. Tina let Maria wear new hat. Tina let Maria wear new hat. Tina let Maria wear new hat. टीना ने मारिया से नया hat पहनवाया. So we can say that Tina got Maria wear new hat. Tina got Maria wear new hat. टीना ने मारिया से नया hat पहनवाया. Tina itself doesn't put on the hat, but she persuaded, she convinced Maria to put the hat on her head. So this is a beautiful phrase. Tina had Maria. Tina had Maria wear new hat. Tina had Maria wear new hat. टीना ने मारिया से नया हैट पहनवाया. Let's see the next phrase with the causative verb. Next one is the hunter made the hounds run. The hunter made the hounds run. The hunter made the hounds run. शिकारी ने शिकारी कुत्तों को भगाया. The hunter made the hounds run. The hunter made the hounds run. शिकारी ने शिकारी कुत्तों को भगाया. The hunter made the hounds run. The hunter made the hounds run. शिकारी ने शिकारी कुत्तों को भगाया. This is another formation of verb make, that is a causative verb, and made is its past form. The hunter made the hounds run. The hunter made the hounds run. शिकारी ने शिकारी कुत्तों को भगाया. The hunter made the hounds run. For searching, for searching, for searching hunts. For searching hunts. The hunter made the hounds run. The hunter made the hound run. शिकारी ने शिकारी कुत्तों को भगाया. Let's see the next phrase. Next statement. Next statement is Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. Here see that Ronnie is a subject, and Ronnie persuaded, Ronnie convinced, Ronnie intimated, Ronnie convinced, Ronnie persuaded the cat to catch the mice. Ronnie used cat to catch the mice. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. Ronnie ने बिल्ली से चूहिया को पकड़वाया. रोनी ने बिल्ली से चूहिया को पकड़वाया. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. रोनी ने बिल्ली से चूहिया को पकड़वाया. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. So you can say Ronnie got the cat to catch the mice. Ronnie got the cat to catch the mice. रोनी ने बिल्ली से चूहिया को पकड़वाया. Ronnie had the cat to catch the mice. रोनी ने बिल्ली से चूहिया को पकड़वाया. Let's see the next phrase. Next is I got my collie carry my CPU. I got my collie carry my CPU. I got collie carry my CPU. मैंने अपने कुली से अपना CPU उठवाया. I got my collie carry my CPU. I got my collie carry my CPU. Got is the past form of get. Get is a transitive verb. Get is used as a transitive verb. So I got my collie carry my CPU. मैंने अपने कोली से CPU उठवाया. I got my collie carry my CPU. I got my collie carry my CPU. मैंने अपने कोली से अपना CPU उठवाया. In this phrase you have get. Get is a transitive verb, is used as a transitive verb, and got is the past form of get. Hey my students, these are very important causative verbs used many ways in communication and in speaking. Memorize these phrases with the causative verbs, and do subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. Goodbye. Goodbye.